Natural remedy to stop snoring and sleep apnea. Snoring is an unpleasant sound that occurs when your airways become obstructed. One of the more concerning facts is that around 75% of people who have this problem also suffer from sleep apnea, a dangerous condition that's characterized by brief intervals of not breathing during sleep. It may be due to a physical problem like an obstruction, but infectious diseases and allergies can also cause sleep apnea. The problem is that aside from interrupting your sleep, snoring can keep you from getting proper amounts of rest and even lead to insomnia. Anyone can suffer from this condition from time to time, but there are some people who experience it on a regular basis. Fortunately, there are some methods and tips to help stop snoring and sleep apnea in order to improve the quality of your sleep. Find out more. Why do we snore? Snoring occurs when the tongue, the upper part of the throat, the palate, or the uvula vibrate against your tonsils and lymph nodes. The vibrations happen each time you inhale air to fill your lungs. Being overweight, respiratory disorders, and the position your body is in during sleep are all factors that have been associated with a higher risk of developing this problem. Consumption of alcohol, tobacco, or sleeping pills can also relax the muscles of the pharynx and aggravate any snoring. A smaller number of cases is due to a malformation known as nasal polyposis, or a deviated septum. How does snoring affect your health? Although it can be very annoying and is sometimes the result of a lung condition, snoring usually isn't a direct health problem. The intensity may vary, but sometimes it can be so strong that it prevents you from getting to sleep. Snoring has even been shown to affect the quality of a relationship. When you have obstructive sleep apnea syndrome, (OSA), your breathing may be interrupted for up to 10 seconds. According to the research, between 15 and 20 of car accidents may be related to lack of sleep and fatigue. How to stop snoring with a natural remedy. Excess production of mucus and swollen nasal tissues are potential causes of snoring. The use of conventional decongestants often helps improve the condition, but you can also consider some natural options. Today we want to propose a natural juice that's loaded with antioxidants and nutrients to cleanse your sinuses and airways. It's easy to prepare, and in addition to that, it will improve the quality of your sleep. Natural remedy to stop snoring and improve sleep quality. Ingredients like lemon, ginger, and carrots are filled with essential nutrients that cleanse the lungs and nasal pathways. Regular consumption of these ingredients can reduce the frequency of your snoring and boost your immune system to better respond to viruses and bacteria. Ingredients: 1/4 of a fresh lemon, 1 piece of ginger root, 2 apples, 2 carrots, 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. Preparation. Wash all ingredients well before preparing them. Dice a lemon, ginger, apples, and carrots and add them to a blender. Pour in the glass of water and process all ingredients for a few minutes. When your beverage is even and smooth, serve immediately. Drink a cup of this beverage 2 hours before you go to bed. If the taste is too strong, you can sweeten it with a little honey. What are the benefits of this remedy? This natural juice is loaded with antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, and pain-reducing agents that relieve nasal congestion and a sore throat in order to stop snoring. The acidity levels in lemon help break up mucus and promote the elimination of toxins that build up in the lungs. It also contains vitamin A, a nutrient that improves the health of the mucous membranes in your nose and mouth. These impacts are enhanced by the high levels of vitamins C and E, two antioxidants related to the prevention of respiratory infections and cancer.